Degrees to radians, very important topics. So this video we are going to convert angles to radians in terms of pi. We have to know the rule, which is a radians equals to degrees times pi by 180. It means we just multiply the degree with pi by 180. So first question, here is first question. There are lots of question 10 degree. So 10 degree, number A, we can write 10 times pi by 180. So 0 and 0 out, it means 180 divided 10, it will be 18. So our result will be pi by 18. This is our radians. So 10 degree equals to pi by 18. Our conversion has done. Same 20 times pi by 180. It means 0 and 0 out, 18 times 2 is a 9. So what will be the result? Pi by 9. 40 times pi by 18. So this is first 0 and 0 out, and then look, we can divide this 4 by 2. So here is a 2, and 18 we can divide it by 2. Here is a 9. So our result will be 2 pi divide 9. Okay, very simple. 50 degree. 50 degree. So 50, just we are multiply with pi by 180. So 0 and 0 out. So result will be 5 pi by 18. Number E, here is a 15 degree. So 15 times pi by 80. So we can divide this 15 by what? 180 once you divide by pi, it will be 12, right? You can use calculator. If you use calculator, you will get like 180 divide 15, result will be 12. So our final result like pi divide 12. So number A, B, C, D done. We will try to solve more math. Next, 120 and times pi by 180. So 0 and 0 we can divide. This 12 we can divide it by 3, so we will get 4. And this 18 also we can divide it by 3, we will get what? 6. It would be better 6 and 12 we can divide it by 6. So here is a 2 and here is a 3. So result is 2 pi divide what? 3. Next, 135. 135 degree will be convert to radian. So times pi by 180. So this one 135 and 180, we can find out the common factor. Like here is a 135 and 180. We can divide this one by 5. So here will be what? 135 divide 5. So here is a 27. And 180 divide 5. Here will be 36. And this one till we can divide it by 9. So 27 by 9, here is a 3, and 36 divided by 9, here is a 4. So the common divisor is 5 and 9. 5 times 9 will be 45. So 135, if we divide it by 45, what we will get? 135 divide 45, we will get 3. And once we divide 180 divide 45, we will get 4. So here is a 4. Our result will be 3 pi divide 4. Next here is a what? Here is a 225 times pi divide 180. So same thing, we have to find out the common divisor, or we have to find out the GCD of 225 and 180. So what will be the common divisor? Two way we can solve this one, like 180 divide 225. Here is a 1 time, so here is a 180. So 5, this is a 12, so here will be 4. Then 180, here is a 4 time, right? So 4 5 is our GCD, it means greatest common factor, or HCF. So if we divide 225 by 45, we will get 5. So here is a 5 and here is a 4. Our answer is 5 pi divide 4. What about 360 degree times pi divide 180? So 360, we cannot use degree in here, so here will be 2 time, so answer is 2 pi, right? Next, here is a 720 times pi divide 180. So how many times we can 72 we can divide by 18 by 4, so it means here is a 4, so 4 pi. Okay, very simple. So 10 math has done, but we try to solve more. Like here is a 5 math more, so 80 degrees, so 80 times degrees times pi by 180, it's become what? It's become radian. So here will be, we can divide this one, here is 80 and here is a 180. So what will be the common thing? First of all, if we divide it by 20, so 80 divide 20, here is a 4, and 180 divide 20, it will be 9. So 4 pi divide 9. Here is a 300 times pi by 180 degree. So 0 and 0 out. 6 can be divided by both. So it's a 5 and here is a 3. So our answer 5 pi divide 3. Here is a 9 degree times pi by 180. So it will be pi by 20, right? Then here is a 75 times pi by 180. So 75 and 180, what will be the common factor? We can do like, we can divide it this one by 5. So 5, here is a 15, and once we divide this one by 5, so here is a 180 divide 5, here is a 36, but 36 till can be simplified, right? How? If we divide it by 3, so here is a 5 and this one is become 12. So our answer will be 5 pi by 12. And the last one, here is a 210 times pi by 180. So what is the common divisor? Like 180, if we factorize this one by 180, 210 and 180, once we find out HCF. So here is a 1 time 180, 0, here is a 3, and here is a 180, so here is a 6 times 180. So we can divide this 1 by 30. So if we divide it by 30, here is a 7 and here is a 6, and our final answer will be 7 pi divide 6. So thank you very much. Long time you are with me. We are trying to solve 15 math based on degrees to radian in terms of pi. Next video we will try to solve radians to degree. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please note that this is very important math. Don't neglect these kinds of math. Short question, MCQ type question, or any kinds of competitive examination around the world, you will face these kinds of problem. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.